It works perfectly on my laptop. Why does it fail on everyone else's computer? Because today you're going to meet Docker. Docker? What's that? It's a tool that packages your app so it runs the same everywhere. No more works on my machine. Adwaith, check this out. Whoa, what is it? It's a magical shipping container, and inside is a tiny ASP.NET Core API. Wow, it's so small. Docker packs your application with everything it needs so it behaves the same everywhere. The API works perfectly now. Great! Now let's make it portable. Good idea. Let's containerize it. Exactly. I'll set up the Dockerfile. Perfect. Let's do it. Let's create a Dockerfile beside the project. First, we define the base image. Is this like a cooking recipe? Exactly. Docker follows this recipe to build your application. Then, we set the working directory and copy the files. Finally, we install dependencies and set the command. See this, Adwaith? It's about Docker multi-stage builds. Watch. This giant one is the heavy build.
Whoa, it's huge!
Exactly. Now look at this compact one. Multi-stage builds create smaller, faster production images.
Wow, that's so much lighter!
Exactly. Optimization is key.
Okay, let's build our API with Docker.
Yes, type docker build myappy dot.
Look, it's transforming. It's building the image.
Wow, we did it. It's a container. Exactly. A Docker image is like a package with everything our app needs to run anywhere. That's so cool. Adwaith, let's run our API in a container. Okay, what about the port? We use port mapping. Watch this. This connects the container's port 8080 to our machine. Whoa, it's starting and glowing. Exactly. Now the browser windows can connect. Okay, let's test it in Swagger. Perfect. Sending the request now. It's working. The request is going to Docker, and the JSON response is back instantly. It works inside Docker too. Yes, I'm so proud of us. Whoa, look, the same container runs on Windows, Linux, and macOS? Exactly. It's a Docker container. You build it once, and it runs anywhere. Wow, that's amazing. So no more compatibility issues? Yep, build once, run anywhere. It's that simple. This is so cool. Thanks, Minnu. With Docker Compose, we can start everything with one command. This ASP.NET Core API connects to Seek Server and Redis. Just run Docker Compose up, and the whole stack starts. That's so much easier. Exactly. It saves so much time. Adwaith, with Docker, we can deploy the same image to cloud platforms.
Really? Without changing the code?
Exactly. Watch the container fly from your laptop to the cloud.
Whoa, that's so cool.
And it works on any server. The image is portable.
That's amazing. I get it now.
No more. It works on my machine. Welcome to containerized .NET development. Follow us for more .NET tutorials.